So these are the tools that I used. You don't have to use these, you could use whatever you think is necessary. This is a transition from the lawn onto a little bit of patio, and it's underneath some fir trees where the grass doesn't seem to want to grow. So I lay the stones out on the lawn and in the order that I want them, and I use that little hand trowel to scratch around them and then seat the stones in the lawn to the depth that I've achieved by crossing those two pieces of wood with a G-cramp. Now you'll get a better example of this as this video progresses. I did this on a dry day, and I would recommend it because you can see that I can clean the soil up with a dustpan and brush, and ultimately what I'm attempting to achieve is completely flush stones that look like they've been there forever. So you can see I've drawn around with that very sharp trowel, and I'm digging out. And when I put the stone back in again, I can afford to pour that dry soil back in. So here I am setting the depth gauge, as I did on every one, to make sure it's exactly going to be level. And then scratch around it, and then use that sharp little hand trowel, because it really is all I need. And then I'm using a garden claw to get out most of the soil. At that point, I can then check the depth gauge to make sure it's the right depth. Actually, in this case, I needed to add a little bit of soil to stop it from rocking. And then I can press it in with my feet, add the soil, press it down, and brush it off, and voila, there we go. Looks like it's been there forever. And that's a couple of weeks later after the grass seed is taken. I hope you find this useful, and feel free to visit my channel, and you can look up the longer video that this came from, and here's a thumbnail picture of it. Well, thanks for watching.